I'm going to do this as fast as I can. Website, interweb, income, course 9. I'm going to show you what I worked on today, how I'm moving forward, how I'm branching out, how I'm expanding. I'm in the back end of my WordPress website, and I'm choosing to keep these web pages, these aren't blog posts, web pages, and I'm bringing them back to life, and I'm adding content and making them better. Today I worked on dressing in vinegar. I needed to add content to this page. I added this. I speak about that in another video. This content was there. It was a little bland. I had to take down old native ads that are no longer in existence. Amazon is not using them. So I took the time, I did research, I educated myself, and I created some great content with the help of artificial intelligence, AI. Let me show you how I worked it today. I open up the Edge browser. I open up Grammarly. I use the freebie version for now. I use the bingchat. I type in a question here. My first question was, what is the difference between red wine vinegar and cooking vinegar? Was that no. What is the difference of red wine cooking compared to cooking wine? And then I went to that question. And then I went to, does cooking wine have a higher alcohol level compared to regular wine? I educated myself while I produced amazing content to bring this page back to life. It's short, descriptive, informative, educational, and that's good. And the reason why I'm focusing on content, because later on in the future, I want in-text advertising throughout my websites. That will create another stream of income, but we're here to talk about AI. So that's how I did this today. Then I opened up introducing chatgpt. And I typed in the question, what is the difference between red wine vinegar and cooking vinegar? And I used some of the information that populated here. Let me make this very clear. I'm using the AI, but I'm wording it in my own words. I continued to do research. It just helped me produce content faster. I'm not typing in a question, copying it, and just pasting it. I'm putting it into my own words. There's some kind of format I like to follow. I like the way this flows with the topic, the subject. And that's something you have to take into consideration. You don't want to be like everyone else. You want to be unique, authentic. Then I would use WordTune. I've used this many times. They let you rewrite, I think up to 10 or 11 times a day. They have a lot of freebie stuff on their platform. Check it out. It's just one of many that I really do enjoy using, and that's what I've been using lately. AI.rewrite content. I typed that query into the Microsoft Bing search in their browser, and it produced 382,000 results. I went to the Chrome browser. I typed the same thing in. It produced 26,900,000 results. And that popped right up, WordTune. So that must be their thing. And then Grammarly next. Those are sponsored ads. And you can check it out. The list goes on and on. There's so much free out there to use right now. Before, I say in a few years, at least half of these will be pay. I bet you like 5 years from now, you got to pay for all of these. They'll let you use it for a week and then for free and then say, we got to charge you. Today I expanded my website with the help of a gig worker. Her name is Kinsley Finance. And I came across one of her videos and I was listening to it. And I was like, wow, let me check that out. So what did I do today? I want to show you. Oh, where is it? I don't want to do that. Okay, I'll go here. I created this banner right here today. Spend less, get more. Best sellers, 5-star rated. Huge selection and a little 5 stars. I like the color scheme. Nice and bright, eye-catching. When you click it, it's The link is directed to me. I joined their affiliate program. And I placed it on my website sidebar. So that banner will get shown on every web page and every blog post that is viewed. And I spoke with their customer service. I asked if they had banner materials. They don't. Their way of paying affiliates is to promote it on social networks. I wanted a banner to promote on my website. And they said that was fine. So I created a banner. I linked it to my URL, and I'm hoping to make some sales. They pay high commission. So I learned this from a gig worker. I'm very happy about that. Now, if I go to, just want to show you, Temu affiliate. Let's see if it pops. Got to prove myself here. Car. Affiliate program. I should be signed in. There you go. See, they give you a link right here. They give you a code. And when you copy it, see how they tell you? Supported on in an email, in a text message, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. Amazon's making a lot of changes, and I miss their regular banners. They don't have them either. Those are no longer in existence. They're taking them away. So I guess that's the future, having people like us promote everything on social networks, and you can earn some money. So if you want to join this, I guess I'll put my link in the description below, and let's see if share to earn. You can earn. I'll add the link in the description below. I didn't think of that. I'm more concerned about the sales. So I'm really happy about that. Nice. It's nice and bright. What else did I do today? Impact. I'm still waiting for Walmart to approve me. I hope they do. It's such a long process. They're using a third party to run their affiliate program. It's not in-house like Temu. So fast. I couldn't even keep up with it. It was so fast. What else? So I guess that's it. I wanted to do this as quickly as possible. Don't forget to visit myincomejob.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and continue to follow me as I continue to branch out, expand, and succeed online. I'll be sharing that here at Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. I'll see you later. Bye, everybody. myincomejob.com.